Hello viewer, we are in Photoshop. I will take the different shapes there. I will use the paint bucket to fill up these designs. So here I will apply the gradient on that surface to create a different design. We have the gradient map to make the shape in this way. It's a background eraser to create different shapes on that new created layer. So there we have. Can also apply the free pen tool on that surface. We can change the design in this way so that it is. Thank you for watching.